Renault Symbioz marks a new era in family voitures à vivre, carrying on the legacy of Renault's versatile and innovative family cars. It follows in the footsteps of iconic models like the Renault 16 and S-Space, designed to meet the evolving needs of families and reflect the spirit of their times. The Renault 16, introduced in 1965, revolutionized the market with its hatchback design and adaptable interior, catering to families seeking versatility and functionality amidst social changes. Similarly, the S-Space, launched in the 1980s, pioneered the concept of the one-box design and modular layout, offering flexibility and comfort for large families. Continuing this legacy, the Scénic in the 1990s introduced the compact MPV segment with its cocoon-like interior focused on passenger well-being. Renault Symbioz carries forward this DNA, offering adaptability to family needs with its modular design and advanced technologies, all within compact dimensions suitable for urban driving. Positioned between the Captur and Austral models, Symbioz enhances Renault's presence in the C-segment, catering to families and corporate fleet owners alike. With its compact size of 4.41 meters, it complements Renault's E-Tech range, offering both hybrid and electric options to meet diverse customer needs. Symbioz incorporates cutting-edge Renault technologies, including the open R-Link multimedia system with built-in Google, and the Solar Bay tinted glass sunroof. The iconic version boasts 29 driving aids for enhanced safety and comfort. Despite its compact size, Symbioz offers exceptional boot capacity of up to 624 liters and a modular layout with a sliding bench seat, providing versatility for various cargo and passenger arrangements. With its lightweight construction and efficient E-Tech hybrid powertrain, Symbioz delivers eco-friendly performance and fuel efficiency, further solidifying Renault's commitment to sustainability. Renault's E-Tech full hybrid technology, featured in the Symbioz, represents a significant leap forward in terms of fuel efficiency, emissions reduction, and overall performance. The heart of Renault's E-Tech system is its hybrid powertrain, which consists of a combination of a traditional internal combustion engine and one or more electric motors. In the case of the Symbioz, this hybrid powertrain is specifically optimized for efficiency and performance. The Symbioz is equipped with a high-capacity battery pack that stores energy generated during braking or coasting. This energy is then used to power the electric motor during acceleration or low-speed driving. Renault employs advanced battery technology to ensure optimal energy storage and longevity. The Symbioz features one or more electric motors integrated into the powertrain. These electric motors work in conjunction with the internal combustion engine to provide propulsion. The electric motors can operate independently or in tandem with the engine, depending on driving conditions and power demands. One of the key features of Renault's E-Tech system is regenerative braking. When the driver applies the brakes, the electric motors act as generators, converting kinetic energy into electrical energy, which is then stored in the battery pack. This regenerative braking system helps to recharge the battery and improve overall efficiency. The Symbioz is equipped with a sophisticated hybrid control unit that manages the interaction between the internal combustion engine, electric motors, and battery pack. This control unit continuously monitors driving conditions and adjusts power delivery accordingly to optimize fuel efficiency and performance. The Symbioz offers various driving modes to suit different driving conditions and preferences. These modes may include pure electric mode, hybrid mode, and sport mode, among others. In pure electric mode, the vehicle operates solely on electric power, enabling silent and emission-free driving for short distances. Despite its focus on fuel efficiency and low emissions, the Symbioz does not compromise on performance. The hybrid powertrain delivers ample power and torque, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Symbioz offers dynamic performance with reduced environmental impact. Renault's E-Tech full hybrid technology, as showcased in the Symbioz, represents a significant step forward in the pursuit of sustainable mobility. By combining advanced hybrid powertrain components, regenerative braking, and intelligent control systems, Renault has created a vehicle that offers exceptional fuel efficiency, low emissions, and impressive performance, all without sacrificing driving enjoyment. As the latest addition to Renault's compact vehicle lineup, Symbioz completes the Renaulution offensive on the C-segment, offering families a modern and efficient driving experience while staying true to Renault's legacy of innovation and versatility.